Planning day at the Bell Tower Chapel. It's cold in here. And Sadie's freaking. I want to go home, but I wanted to come in here too. Doors. Oh, it's a stained glass window up there. You see that? Almost. Watch out, Sadie. Or you and your lead. In the foyer. That's a bathroom. These are bathrooms. Gonna go downstairs. Sadie's gonna go downstairs and kill herself. So, where are we going? Let's go downstairs. Maybe it's fun down here. Definitely dark. This is the kitchen. So it's got a little microwave.
Little tabletop.
Little table thing. See, they had a punch bowl. Remember they had a punch bowl. They got a coffee server.
Little refrigerator and a little.
Little refrigerator, yes, very little. Not a lot of working space down here either.
No, but you don't need a lot of work.
No, but storage. You got a cart. You can make stuff up on a cart.
You have a little thing you can sit.
And another little table down here. You get that stuff. And down here. You turn the light off. You keep turning lights off. I keep one lights on.
Oh, it's a kitchen light.
Well, I had the dining room light on. I mean, the whole hall light on. I'm trying to find the light for in here. There we go. Bridal room. My room. I'd like to have that mirror. It'd be nice to have that mirror at home.